Hi, let's see Sresky's new Solar Garden Light flat series. It's a simple but elegant design, very suitable for Europe market. First, for the shorter one, we have solar spotlight, and longer one, we have solar baller light. First, for the application, for the solar spotlight, we can use it to stick on the grass, lightening the tree or the wall. For the solar baller light, we can use it to install on our garden for decorating. Also, we can use it to install the path or pathway, etc. Second, let me show you more details. For the material, it's aluminum and ABS, very strong. Our waterproof grade is IP65. And it's 500 lumen, very bright. We have 4 lighting modes. As you can see from the picture, every mode you need are available. With 3000 Kelvin, it's very suitable for gardening, decorating. Now, let's see the solar panel. The material we use is monocrystalline solar panel. The charging efficiency is over 23%. And LED chip we use is all-surround LED chip. Battery is a lithium battery. And let's see the lamp head of our solar spotlight. The lamp head is adjustable, so it's very suitable for different installation needs. And for the installation methods, we have 2 ways. First, we can use screws to stick on the ground, or we can use spikes to stick on the ground. It's very convenient. If you are interested, welcome to leave us a message to learn more.